and welcome to the Satsuma Designs Workshop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut out our scrubs pants pattern. If you need to make a pair in a one-off basis and you don't have a marker, this is how you'll go about doing it. I have layered 2 pieces of cotton fabric and I've already chalked out my women's scrubs front pant. My pattern says to cut 2, so that's why I have 2 layers of fabric. I will move my paper pattern now, and with my fabric scissors or shears, I will go ahead and cut away the chalk line that I made. Now we cut away so that we maintain the integrity of our sizing. If we were to cut on the outside of the chalk line very slowly, or maybe not so slowly, we would see that we would be increasing the size of our garments. So we'll go ahead and cut away that chalk line. I am cutting with my right hand, and I find that if my scissors are to the left of the garment, I have a nice bit of control. So you're going to see my back, I apologize, but I'm going to show you how I like to do it, and I will rotate my fabric as I cut. You'll notice that I have my hand on the excess material. That gives me a little more stability as well. I've already cut the waistband, and now I'm going to rotate my fabric 180 degrees and do the other length, making sure that my fabric stays nice and close together. I'd like to show you how I cut away. You can see I've done a pretty good job. This is the chalk line and the fabric of the garment is here in the negative space. So you can see that I cut the chalk line away from the garment. And there you have it. I've cut my pants, the front panels too, and the way I folded my fabric, I have face side and face side, so I'll go ahead and put these right sides together. When I begin to sew and join the garment, I'm going to first serge the rise, or in this case, the front, from the waistline down to the crotch. I'll do the same thing with the back panels, and then we will serge the inseam from the ankle up under the crotch and back down. Okay, in our next video, I will show you how to chalk out some of the components to our pants. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.